Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Photo Man here. We're down in Mossleigh right now. And I'm going to get the drone up over the green elevators that are here. And I see there's some old rail cars and things like that here as well. So get some photos of that. And I'm trying out a few things, not only the drone, but this new phone that I have for work that this is being recorded on. And yeah, just the quality is actually pretty good from what I'm looking at. But anyway, we'll see what the quality is like when I get it on the big screen at home. But stay tuned, and we'll get some drone footage. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and the video. While I was out and about, I came across this old abandoned farm. There are a couple of barns. There's an old house. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Lots of private property, no trespassing signs, so I didn't go in. But I did take the drone up, so I'll see what footage I got there. At least I'm hoping that I'm getting footage today. If not, I'm going to have to redo all my settings and figure out what the hell's going on. But yeah, this is a really cool spot. I'm going to have to mark this on my map so I can revisit it. Hey everyone, welcome back. Final segment of this video. So Saturday when I got back, did some work on the drone for a couple hours and found out that it wasn't reading my SD card, which is why it wasn't recording. But I fixed that on Saturday. It did record a couple of footage, a bit of footage for the abandoned farm that I found. So I'll end off with that, so you can see what that looks like. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.